Find the best mini dehumidifiers on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best mini dehumidifiers on the market. 5. Eva Dry Mini Dehumidifier. With its amazing performance, this product has bagged the title of Amazon's choice for itself. Thus, when it comes to quality, you will not be disappointed. Moreover, this product does not require any batteries or even electricity. Therefore, you can easily use it anywhere you like. Besides, the product is completely safe for you to use. The dehumidifier is completely non-toxic, and even pet safe. Besides, the product hardly has any maintenance trouble. It can last for full 2 weeks before requiring recharging. Lastly, to cover the maximum area despite having such a compact size, the dehumidifier will cover 333 cubic feet. 4. ProBreeze Mini Dehumidifier. If you absolutely detest the noise of machines interrupting the peace of your day, this product has been designed for you. With the help of ultra-quiet thermoelectric technology, this product does not make so much as a whisper. More than that, this also is really energy efficient, having low power consumption. The product has a really large tank of 18 ounces for long usage. Since it is really compact, use it wherever you like, whether on a boat, garage, or caravan. Working efficiently in an area of 150 square feet, it even works perfectly on your kitchen, bathroom, garage and etc. 3. Ivation Small Dehumidifier. This product has been designed with a lot of care. The dehumidifier has a digital interface making the controls much simpler. Furthermore, it allows you a lot of flexibility to set up the device according to your preference. You get to adjust the humidity to suit your need. If that was not enough, this also provides you with settings to change the fan speed. Even the screen brightness is changed. The product provides you with a carry handle, making it even more suitable for taking anywhere. 2. Hornady Dehumidifier. This premium quality product has been specially designed to cater to those enclosed spaces which deal with a lot of moisture. Meant especially for gun safes, you are sure to get the desired results through a long time with this device. It will prevent any type of mildew or even rust. As an added advantage, the moisture-absorbing crystals can change color when your product needs recharging, alerting you before it gets full. This product is free from the trouble of dispensing water, reducing your efforts much more. The recharging dries out the crystals for you. 1. Caframo Limited Dehumidifier. If you love to go fishing, this unique product will come to great aid for you. The product is meant for marine and RV use. Unlike other products, it has an aluminium body. Aluminium makes the product lightweight, and at the same time, lends its sturdiness. Besides, it makes sure that the product does not get corroded with time. With the presence of an internal blower, you get an unmatched performance. If you are still not convinced about the quality of the product, this Caframo brushes off all your doubts with an impressive 2-year-long warranty on the product. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price, and more details of these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.